grasshopper and flowers for him. This is a dead... No. We need to flip him. Yeah, we flip him.
This is him.
This is our best friend, and it just died.
And Kurt, sira him.
What the fuck? Alright. So, buhangin. So we made this for him.
We're gonna...
Yeah.
Here's his poo.
No! You're dirty-minded. Alright, and it's super sad that it died because that's our best friend. We make fun of him, we make friends with him, and we're nice, and we literally made the Jackson. Huh? That's not a camera.
That's a camera.
Uy,
About
wag.
hackers.
What the? This is my grandpa's old car. It's super old.
Nagpatay na isang grasshopper.
San?
Yan, nilibing yung kulay green na yan na tabuo na ng karton. Siya nagbaro niyan. Siya nagparusan yan.
Uy, Pokey!
Kinder Joy!
Huh?
Kinder Joy!
Oh!
Muffin!
That old?
That one.
We're kinda lucky.
Kinakain niya. Wait, pag nag-November 1, bigyan natin siya ng pagkain na maliit, no? Diba?
Bakit?
Matagal to?
Bakit? Ay, araw ng mga patay kasi patay na siya.
Oo.
Tignan mo, nilalanggam na siya kasi kasi patay na siya. Yun, ang dami. Ang dami, Gagi.
Destroy.
No, don't destroy him.
Lipat natin.
That's his friends kasi pag namatay ka, lalanggamin ka, tapos iuud ka. Ganon. Kagaya nito,